Hey guys, do you want to know real-life AI model, the Midjourney and Flux AI? So I'm going to tell this biggest ever evolution of AI Ideogram, launched Ideogram 2.0. I'm telling you it will compete the Flux AI and Midjourney. Take a breathe and let's start about Ideogram 2.0. Officially, Ideogram AI just launched their latest and biggest. Ideogram 2.0, and this is the huge advancement. Ideogram will compete with, or you can say it will get the lead from all those AI model up to now. Now, Ideogram is like Moon in AI space. But sadly, it doesn't capture the limelight. But with Ideogram 2.0, all the story will change at once, because Ideogram 2.0 is bringing pure and final glance of realism. If you want realistic image, then you can go for Ideogram 2. Zero new features like a sleek 3D render, an anime-style character, or a detailed graphic design with some killer text. Now, to really appreciate what Ideogram 2.0 is doing here, we've got to take a quick look at the landscape. Over the past few months, we've seen a ton of developments in the AI image generation space. Flux One just launched and is now the go-to generator for Grok on X. Flux One is making some serious moves and solidifying its place in the market, right alongside other heavy hitters like Stable Diffusion XL, Auraflow, Quaicolors, and Hunyuan. So yeah, the competition is fierce, and it feels like every other week there's a new player trying to grab our attention. But here's the kicker. Ideogram officials said that their new model will compete in several key areas like image text alignment, exact extraction of image from prompt, and improve the rendering of images, and AI user will experiment last part very accurately. Here Ideogram 2.0 bring advanced image rendering technique. Okay, let's go through amazing features of Ideogram 2.0. Ideogram 2.0 makes super easy to get your imagination style with below features. First, there's the realism preset. It will produce supernatural image, like they were snapped with a camera. The design preset give you any graphics design ideas with perfect text. The 3D preset produce 3D images. The huge and magical feature is anime preset that will generate perfect anime. You will definitely love it. This one's your go-to for just about anything. It will execute your ideas of designs perfectly. So here I must say, these presets will change all the AI revolution. Wait, I must discuss about color palette. This feature is mid-blowing. It will create exact color scheme as you thought of it. Whether you're trying to match a brand's color scheme or just have a specific vibe in mind, you've got a lot more control over the final product. Alright, let's discuss about realism preset honestly. This is where Ideogram 2.0 really flexes its muscles. One of the big selling points here is how lifelike the images can be. We're talking about textures that look like you can reach out and touch them, and human features like skin and hair that are incredibly detailed. This is something that's going to be a huge draw for people who need realistic images, but maybe don't have the time or skills to create them from scratch. It will give you real but right images. With the new model, what you type is pretty much what you get. This model focuses on the prompt you given with your imaginations. This is a big deal because let's face it, we've all had those moments where the AI just doesn't get. Ideogram targeted those loopholes. I'm really impressed by their text rendering feature, I must say. Wow about that. If you've used AI image generators before, you know that getting decent text in your images can be a nightmare. You might type out a simple phrase, and the model gives you some weird jumbled mess of letters. But this model, not so much. They've really improved how the model handles text, making it a solid option for anyone who needs images with clear, readable text, whether it's for a social media post, a design project, or even just something fun. They've released a brand new iOS app. Good news for Android users. They've got an app coming for you soon too. They've also launched a beta version of their API with very low cost. I must discuss about their Ideogram search. This search will open all the images created on Ideogram earlier and have all the history for it. How can you use Ideogram 2.0, the premium model? Ideogram 2.0 is free to use, but with some limitations. If you're on the free plan, you can generate up to 20 images a day, split into 5 batches of 4 images each. That's good numbers, but for small projects. But for big project, you have to go for their paid version. They start at $8 per month, which is affordable. And if you're really serious about your image generation, there's an unlimited slow generations plan for $20 per month. It is more affordable from something like Midjourney, where you're looking at $10 for the basic plan and $30 for unlimited slow generations. So yeah, Ideogram is positioning itself as a more affordable alternative. But it's not just about the price. The user experience is designed to be super intuitive, especially if you're not a fan of the more technical prompt engineering style you might be used to with other tools. With Ideogram 2.0, the focus is on making things as simple as possible without sacrificing quality, which is a big win for anyone who's more interested in the creative process than the technical details. Now let's see how Ideogram 2.0 holds up against the newer models, like Flux 1, which has been getting attention through its integration into Grocon X. Well, from the initial tests and user feedback that's been trickling in, it looks like Ideogram 2.0 is holding its own pretty well. In fact, when you use the realism preset, it seems to match the performance of Flux 1, which is impressive considering how much buzz Flux 1 has been generating. If you're all about personalization, Midjourney still has the edge with its customization features. But Ideogram 2.0 is no slouch either. The new color, palette control, and the various presets give you a ton of creative freedom without needing to dive into complex prompt engineering or use additional tools like style transfer or LoRa's. So it really comes down to what you value more: ease of use and affordability, or deep customization and power features. So is Ideogram 2.0 worth it? Friends, if you want to deep dives into the latest and greatest in tech and AI, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you have tried Ideogram, I really love to know about your experience, so comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.